How to share a note on Instagram? Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So all you basically want to do is simply go to your DMs right over here. And at the top left corner, you can basically see your note and then a plus icon. Well, you simply want to click on that note. And here it says share a thought. So here I can simply type in something that I would like to. So for example, hello, how are you? Something like that. You can only have up to 60 letters. So keep that in mind. So you can, put in whole paragraphs over here. And at the bottom, you can also see shared with followers that you follow back. If you click on there, you can also share this only with your close friends right here. Now, I don't have any close friends on this account, but if you have, then you can see them all right here. And so yeah, you can decide about that. And for a lot of people, I actually don't have this on any account, but for a lot of people, there's also a music icon between the profile picture and the keyboard in. And if you click on that music icon, you can actually share a song that is in the Instagram library that you like, for example, as well. So you can just do that and then simply hit share. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.